in my yard. Sir, I have a question. We can keep more classes online, like how we did for one go to school. Hello, do not ask me any more questions for the rest of the class. Alright, sir, that's a party. I am totally sick and tired of you and your foolishness. By the way, where is the homework? You didn't give me the homework. Homework? Sir, you know, sir, I left the homework on my yard. What? Left it on your yard?
Hello and welcome to another funny video from WTFV. I hope you're ready to laugh. When you watch WTFV videos, you can't help it. So let's get right into this one, people.
Oh, no.
You know, so that man is serious too. But I tell you like. Yeah, cause a long time you want some spray, right? What you?
You take a foot off I get on and shadow your brake. If anything you buck up around you can't stop. Shadow your brake, man, shadow your brake. Make you can feel the brake so you touch brake. And when I see you clearance you let go your brake. And when you go on can you touch your brake. Shadow your brake and cool down yourself and go on. Like now. Shadow your brake now. Shadow your brake. Hey, tap!
Keep from Ireland. Where come here? Come from me keep from Ireland, Papa. It's alright.
Corey.
Put on my batch in my car.
Corey.
One you know.
Corey, you hear me?
Where say?
Stop smoke the weed, please.
Stop.
All the while, me
Hey, batchy boy. One you know. But stop smoke weed. You want some stop smoke weed? That's what batchy boy, I don't talk to you.
Stop smoking weed.
Yeah, come stop smoke weed. From come when you run, come to here, I'm go out here, I'm carrying some batchy, mister. Hey boy.
Them thing I make them say Jamaica is not a real place, man. Watch the here, man. Backside.
Yes, I shot, mama. No. I want there, mama. Mama, I want to pay for this. Eh? See what my woman doing here. Yeah, yes, and yeah, Corona hairstyle. Can't catch it.
Corona hairstyle.
Only in Jamaica.
Go and get a rat poison. Mama, you can't have both rat and man problems. You have to poison one. Rat poison. Go and get a rat poison. Yes, sir, it's there.
Touch up our mountain.
Yeah.
The doctor, oh man.
Yeah.
I'm a big girl.
Yeah.
All you have paid. I'm here, I come from. Look for me. I make you a bubble, make you out my name.
Yeah.
My uncle them come from Macallan. Don't run for me, my uncle come chop up the hand them and put them everything I want. And we got on girl them out. Blood up.
What the dumb girl said? The dumb girl said to you, that once. What she say?
Yeah, the damn thing. But we can't suck it up. Don't get burned.
Yeah.
Come on, man. We can't take this no more, man. I can't take this no more. Billy, come out of my house. Billy, I can't feed up. Billy, come out of my house. Billy, man, come back, man.
Harry, we don't have to do this. Harry!
Come out and play some my girl.
Okay, Harry. Harry.
Mad girl, come out and play some mad girl.
Listen to me. Listen, Harry. You don't have to be... Harry, you really want to be this guy right now, Harry? Thousands of neighbors are watching Harry, really? After everything we've been through. So it ends.
I can't leave them bad. There's the key them. I can't see all this too.
Wow, it's beautiful, boy. You go, Mike. Okay, you go, Michael. Okay, people, this is Ghetto Jackson, okay? Get used to him. Yeah, look at him. Oh my God. You go, Michael. Look at his shoes. Wow, it's beautiful. You go, Mike. Okay, you go, Michael. Okay, people, this is Ghetto.
No, man.
But say, Mr. Scientist, I can't use your argument in the morning.
You want me to get man?
It's helpless.
You want me to get man?
Helpless. Go find something, though. I don't want a man for you.
You want a man? You want a man?
Oh no, thank you.
You want me to give you a man?
No.
Why?
I know about my...
So the other day a girl for my house, Zine, we're gonna do it, obviously, sex. So after me take out my dingling, now ready for pushing her tingling, she look at me and tell me, say, babes, you have to lick it before you stick it. So me say, huh? She said, babes, you have to lick it before you stick it. So me say, only thing me I lick is nothing. So she look at me and say, so yeah, go and suffer. Me say, what you mean me I go and suffer? First of all, if you are gonna give me head, me not want it. Because obviously, you are gonna want it back. And me not join them freaky thing there. Me look on her and tell her, say, I not eating no type of meat, okay? That is doing nothing for my organs inside. Flesh cannot digest flesh, okay? I eat only greens, no meat, whether cook or raw. I'm out. You're gonna hate me.